Welcome back to AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. Buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI and uncovering 5 unbelievably simple side hustles that could skyrocket your earnings to over $13,000 every single month. You might be tired of endless online searching for money-making tricks that never satisfy, right? Stop here. This video will unlock secrets you'll wish you knew sooner. Hang tight and let's dive in without any more delay. Introducing our first top side hustle idea, freelancing. Thanks to AI, diving into the freelance world is now more approachable than ever. Regardless of your background, you can tap into this exciting world. Niches that are perfect for beginners include writing, data entry, video editing, and graphic design. What makes these sectors so enticing? The key lies in the AI tools available, enhancing your productivity and streamlining your workflow. Let's say you have a knack for writing. With ChatGPT, your creative process is supercharged, providing a constant stream of ideas and helping you to craft content that your clients will love. If your passion lies in the realm of video editing, AI tools such as Lumen 5 and Pictory AI can be your secret arsenal. They enable you to produce stunning videos that will captivate your clients and keep them coming back for more. Intrigued by graphic design? Fear not, we've got you covered. There's a host of AI-powered image generators like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and DALL-E 2 at your disposal. These tools will empower you to create eye-catching designs that will leave your clientele spellbound. Adding to the appeal of freelancing is the significant income potential. On average, seasoned freelancers can expect to earn between $3,000 and $13,000 per month. The freelance industry presents vast opportunities for growth and financial gain, making it a serious consideration for those looking to explore alternative income streams. AI side hustle number 2, print on demand. Next on our list is the flourishing print on demand sector, an evergreen industry ripe for profit. The go-to platform? Etsy, a vibrant marketplace filled with many opportunities. Wondering how to start? Remain tuned as we break down the fundamentals of starting your very own print-on-demand venture. Setting up your business becomes easy with AI tools. Forget the expense of a graphic designer. AI tools like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney are your secrets to creating stunning, irresistible designs. Think about tapping into Midjourney's potential for a mere $10 a month, an affordable key to unlocking potential massive profits. Are you on a tight budget? No worries. Leonardo AI, a complimentary powerhouse, has got you covered. You can master these tools in under a day and set yourself up for boundless creative exploration. Don't hesitate to pause the video and click on the link in the top right corner for a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on crafting stunning designs in no time, without a hit to your wallet. Once your artistic vision comes to life, the journey continues with finding the perfect canvas for your design. That canvas, in this case, is the product you'll be offering on Etsy. There are countless print-on-demand services out there, but for the purpose of this video, we will go with Printify. It's user-friendly, has stellar services, and they'll manage everything from manufacturing to shipping once a customer snags one of your products. Not to mention, they offer an extensive product range, from t-shirts and mugs to caps and bags, all ready to be adorned with your design and sold on Etsy. As a newcomer, it's wise to start small. Choose a couple of products to launch your venture, so you can track their sales performance before expanding your inventory. Once your products are designed, link your Etsy store to your Printify account. This connection makes it a breeze to import your products into your Etsy storefront. The entire process can take anything from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on how dedicated you are. For a detailed step-by-step walkthrough, I recommend you check out the video linked in the top right corner. Idea number 3, blogging. The next lucrative hustle we're exploring is launching your own blog. Blogging may seem like an endeavor that requires a lot of time and effort, but with AI, it can actually become a simple yet profitable side job. The primary hurdle most aspiring bloggers face is producing compelling content. Generating appealing articles isn't a walk in the park. It demands a great deal of research and commitment. You certainly don't want to disseminate misleading information. However, thanks to artificial intelligence, the process of content creation has been revolutionized. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI have turned this task, which could take hours, into a mere few minutes. Astonishingly, it is now feasible to produce an entire blog post with ChatGPT in under 5 minutes. Setting up a blog is far from complex. First and foremost, you'll need a domain name, a host, and a content management system. Platforms like HostGator or GoDaddy can offer you a domain name and hosting services. As for your content management system, you could opt for WordPress or Wix, whichever one aligns more with your comfort zone. Subsequently, you'll need to establish the blog itself. If this seems like a daunting task due to lack of experience, you can always hire a professional to take care of this step. Alternatively, you could acquire the skill set yourself. It's not as hard as it may seem. In fact, there's an abundance of YouTube tutorials that guide you through the process of creating a blog from scratch. When embarking on your blogging journey, having a clear niche is crucial. This niche will inform your domain name and the type of content you'll create for your blog. It's recommended to choose a subject that ignites your passion so that your interest remains piqued over time. However, if you're inclined towards exploration, you can opt for a fresh, unfamiliar topic. Just ensure it's a subject with a rich potential for multiple interesting articles. Once your blog is up and running, it's time to populate it with engaging posts. As we touched upon earlier, AI tools like ChatGPT can be invaluable allies in your content creation. Just navigate to ChatGPT and key in your chosen topic. You can either solicit suggestions from the AI or request a complete blog post. Be sure to tweak and refine the AI-generated content to lend it a more human touch. Once your blog is rich with engaging content, it's time to generate income through affiliate marketing programs or Google Ads. There are numerous affiliate marketing networks where you can discover high-paying products to endorse. Notably, Amazon Associates, eBay Partner Network, ShareASale, and ClickBank stand out as the finest options. Upon identifying a product, secure your affiliate link and integrate it into your blog. Yet, remember not to scatter these affiliate links randomly across your blog. Instead, strategically place them within your content where they naturally fit. For instance, embedding an affiliate link in your product reviews, roundups, or comparative posts could be a smart move. This method ensures a higher probability of people purchasing products via your link without making them feel pressured. Bloggers typically earn somewhere around $500 to $5,000 from affiliate marketing alone, and an additional $1,000 to $4,000 through Google Ads. Coming up next, we explore faceless YouTube channel. The fourth entrepreneurial avenue to explore is building a faceless YouTube channel. These channels are increasingly popular, mainly due to their simplicity. There's no need to show your face, just someone narrating over a video. But how does one kick off such a venture? It's simpler than you might expect. Firstly, just like blogging, you need to settle on a niche for your channel. And the beauty is, you have total freedom to choose anything you're passionate about. Once you've identified your niche, you need to craft your script for voiceovers. This is another area where ChatGPT comes in handy. Simply prompt the chatbot to produce a YouTube script on your chosen topic, and it will deliver a high-quality script in record time. For a more comprehensive guide on how to establish your faceless YouTube channel, check out the link in the upper right corner. With your script in hand, the next step is transforming that script into engaging voiceover audio. You have the option to record it yourself, or to make things even easier, use AI tools such as Resemble AI or Murph AI to generate the voiceovers. These platforms offer hundreds of voice options, or alternatively, you can record your voice and the AI will create a voiceover based on your script. Following the voiceover, the subsequent phase is crafting the video. Conventional video editing can be daunting and time-intensive, but AI simplifies this process. AI tools like Lumen 5, Synthesia, and Pictory AI enable quick video creation. They let you edit your videos, add audio and text, all in one place, and they're incredibly user-friendly. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Bear in mind, building your YouTube channel will demand some dedication, but once you've fostered a substantial following, monetization options like affiliate marketing programs or Google Ads come into play. Once more, if you're itching to explore this side hustle more profoundly, I encourage you to check out the video tucked away in the top right corner. Finally, but by no means the least, prompt engineering. Stepping into the role of a prompt engineer can be a goldmine. Prompt engineering is a pivotal piece in the puzzle of training AI models, and the incredible part is, you don't need any programming background to take up this role. All it requires is a basic comprehension of machine learning and a knack for crafting effective prompts. Consider this: if you want ChatGPT to pen an article on cake baking, there's a plethora of ways to instruct it, and you'll get a result. However, many times these outcomes are not comprehensive enough. But with the right prompts, you can instruct ChatGPT to provide an intricately detailed guide on cake baking, inclusive of oven settings and cooking time. Here's where the magic of prompt engineering comes into play. The astonishing reality is, companies are ready to shell out thousands of dollars for this specific skill set. Prompt engineers can rake in up to $330,000 a year. which translates to a whopping $27,500 a month. Without a shadow of a doubt, this stands as one of the most profitable AI side hustles in existence. That brings us to the end of today's thrill ride. We truly hope it shed some light and provided new insights. If there are any queries or thoughts you'd like to share, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Remember to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you haven't done so yet, ensuring you stay in the loop with our enlightening videos. Until the next video, stay curious and keep learning.